Hi, in this video I will show you how to change your Beaks avatar. So this is typically done on the Roblox application. As of now, the Beaks app does not offer a built-in feature to customize or change your avatar directly within the game. The game primarily focuses on bird catching mechanics and progression through gameplay. However, if you're looking Beaks on the Roblox platform, your avatar in Beaks reflects your Roblox avatar. So first things first, head over to your Roblox and you can see in here the avatar option. Head over and then click on that. So from in here, you can actually change your avatar style. You can choose in here the actual accessories for that avatar. You can click onto that icon and then change in here the actual wardrobe as well as the hat and also some other adjustments that you can change. So for example, you can change it just like this and apply that. You can also change the head shape. So you can change it into whatever head shape you would want for to this particular case and it should be able to reflect into your beaks. So that's how you change your beaks avatar. Hope we help.